My name is Andres. I'm the CTO and the co-founder of Ailand, the next generation shooter game. Here is also Valentin with us. He's our CEO.
CEO, yeah.
Yeah, so we're building Ailand for almost 1.5 years. It's a shooter game that combines AI, blockchain, and gaming technology and create a next-gen shooter game. So we're solving the problem that gamers cannot really monetize the time spent in the game, and we're enabling a virtual economy that allows them to trade the skins and also to create new ones and publish them to the platform if they have designer skills.
So what are the benefits of having your own L1 versus a roll-up as a service or other potential scaling solution?
So actually, we've been thinking about having our own blockchain protocol for a while, and thanks to the saga that became possible. So we're really excited about this idea of running our own L1, and especially we are excited because it's an L1, not an L2.
What are the benefits of having your own L1 versus an L2?
So I think the benefits that because of the Cosmos SDK, we have more control on the validators, on the blockchain itself. So it's not just a scaling solution on the Ethereum, but a fully customizable blockchain protocol that we can customize to our needs.
What was your experience in getting up and running on Saga Cassiopeia?
So it was pretty smooth enough. We run our chainlet by participating in this hackathon, and it took a few hours to run the chainlet, to go into the docs, to learn how does it work, to get some testnet tokens. So yeah, the experience is pretty smooth instead of getting all the validators running if you're building a blockchain from scratch and launching it. So yeah, so I think a lot of projects could benefit from it too.
How have you found working with the Saga team?
Oh, so I think Saga team is very friendly, and we've got some developer support, and they were very responsible because the deadline of the hackathon was pretty soon, and even on the weekend we managed to fix some issues and to launch our chainlet. So.
What is the message to other game developers now that you have tested Saga Cassiopeia?
I think that's the only solution on the market that exists for game developers to really to run their own blockchain protocol really fast and efficiently. I've never seen something like this before. Of course, you can do one if you learn the Cosmos SDK, but it will take a lot more time or effort than if you just use Saga.
How much time and energy do you think something like Saga saves you in launching your own L1?
Oh, I think months of energy and learning how things does work. Especially this is helpful for game developers when they don't want to go deep into some blockchain development related stuff and just want to launch their protocol and start building on it.
What other solutions have you tried before arriving at Saga?
So actually, we've been building on WASM compatible blockchains, and also we've been building on EVM compatible blockchains, for example, that use optimistic rollups. Some of them use ZK rollups. So yeah, so we have plenty of experience building on different blockchains. Our game is a cross-chain let's say multi-chain solution that also enables interoperability for assets for other game developers. They can use our avatars in their games. Also, we've enabled cross-chain transfers of the assets in our games. So
how did you find the Saga Cassiopeia developer documentation?
It's very clear and easy to understand, I think. So yeah, so there is no struggle to learn how to launch and how to manage your chainlet.
How long did it take you to launch your Saga Cassiopeia chainlet?
So actually, it took let's say a few hours, just learning and launching it.
Very cool. How did you find migrating game assets or moving your game over to Cassiopeia?
So actually, We didn't move our assets, but rather we launched a unique collection of NFT assets on our chainlet already.
Very cool. Do you have any final words for other game developers now that you know Saga Cassiopeia exists?
So I think that other game developers should definitely think about launching their own game economy or on Saga, because we also think about it. For example, we think about launching our game token, not only using the chainlet for NFTs, but also launching it as an in-game currency. And maybe, if it's possible, even listing it on decentralized exchanges and providing liquidity to it so it can become a, let's say, a fully functional, fungible token of our virtual ecosystem.